Let's go.
Hello, this is Karnal Islam. So today I wanna share a topic that is quota system of Bangladesh. You know that in present situation, quota system is a horrible topic in our country. So first of all, I wanna share a topic that is a primary sector. In our primary sector, there are 60% women quota. Can you imagine this? In a country, in a job sector, there is 60% women quota. And dependent quota is 20%, freedom fighter quota is 30%, and total is 110%. It is so much funny that in a job sector there are 110% quota. So they say that it will be minimized into 90 to 85%. And then in a rail sector, it is a big project in Bangladesh in rail sector or transportation system. So in our rail sector, their dependent quota is 30%, freedom fighter quota is 30%, disabled and orphanage quota is 10%. Minorities get 2.5% quota, and Ansar and BDP 2.5%, Jila quota is 5%, and last our point is women quota is 7.5% in our health sector. So there it will 95%. So it is also funny for us that in a job sector there 95% quota available. In the third, NTRC, that full meaning is Non-Governmental Teachers Registration and Certification Authority. In this sector, women get 30%, freedom fighters get 30%. So totally 60%. And last are BCS. All of the students in our country get this job BCS. Because BCS is the first class job. And this grade may be 9 or 10. So this first class job. So all of the students in Bangladesh get this higher job. To get the job, they take hard preparation. But you see that in our first class job, there are 56% quota available. Besides, in our exams, there are proxy, question leaked, and device use, and others, other things. Those are not, those are not take in our life. And finally, I wanna share a topic that is, China, India, or America. They have also quota system, but in the America there are few percent get the quota. That there the black people get the quota. Our country, our besides country, that is India, they get 4 sector quotas, and they are so less than Bangladesh. You can imagine in a Bangladesh, a job sector, people get 90% quota. But in India, or you can say China, there are 20% women. Previous or many years before, 20% women get quota. But this quota is totally vanished now. And 1% only 1.5% quota for disabilities. And in India, I want to share with that in India there are 4 kinds of quota. That is first of all minority. So those persons who are minorities, they get this quota. So I want to another say that silence. Your silence means 2 options. That is, you have a lots of knowledge about this topic, or you have totally ignorant about this topic. So you are totally silent. So we have to time to say this about this topic. So that's my personal opinion. Thank you very much.